Hey everybody, it's time to go check on the camper. It rained really hard yesterday and all through the night, so I'm gonna go check it for leaks because in our excitement to get the camper remodeled, we forgot to do a leak test. So now's the time to check on it. Look at that view. Okay, let's see if there's any water in here. I'm kind of scared to open it. I put my step down. Well, there's no water on the floor, so that's a good sign. Let me feel underneath the windows here. This is dry. Got my grill down here. I'm going to move that. Looks like everything here, it's all dry. Yeah, that's good. Still on my list is removing little spots of glue like that. Alright, well that part is dry. Check over here. Everything over this side. It's in travel mode, so everything's piled on the bed. This is all dry. Wow, this is good. Over here, this is where the other leak was. That's dry. I'm gonna open up this seat. Probably making your car sick here. No water there. That's where the water was before. Let's see if there's any water in here. I won this at the last camping trip. In the Dirty Santa game, I got it. Didn't really win it. I stole it from somebody. You know how you play Dirty Santa? Alright, this is all dry, guys. So that's good, good, good. Because it poured rain last night. And let me just check. Oh my gosh, I had left this open since the last time I was here. That's not good. But you know what? Nothing is wet. And no rain was on the floor. Everything's dry. Again, it's in travel mode. Everything's piled up. This is all completely dry. So no rain got in, even though I left that up. That's pretty good. Alright, I'll see you on the next video. Bye.